Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Alright, today is a really busy day for me. Excuse me. Sit back. I don't know. Can you see back there? I'm so excited. I got a new pantry. I found it on the Facebook Marketplace. So happy. This older gentleman was so sweet. He held it for me. Stefano came right home from work. He didn't even go to sleep. We went and we got it, and it just happened to be right after it snowed and sleeted and all kinds of stuff. So it took us almost an hour to get to his house, but we made it, and it was only $25. All my crafting stuff is in there. So I'll show you my new storage for my crafting. My crafting room is now a storage room. We just don't have the room for anything because it's small and I have too much stuff. So this summer we're going through our whole entire shed, and we're just going to get rid of everything that we don't use. So, but I will show you my crafting area, and that baby is filled, but it's nice and neat, and I love how it came out. So I'm very excited about it. So now I think I'll be able to craft better. When your mind is all clear and your crafting stuff is organized, you can craft way better. So with that being said, I have a haul here. Oh, and that's my owl. I don't know if anybody saw that. I love that owl. That owl was so fun to make. It was really simple, really easy. In fact, I think I'm going to make a spring one, and I'll film that one also. So that, because that was so much fun to make. Okay, and I hope that everybody has gone over to see my new topiary that I made. I will be redoing the topiary with just Dollar Tree products, so you guys can see how that turns out. It'll be a smaller one, but it'll still be fun. Alright, I do have a Hobby Lobby haul here and a JoAnn's haul. I was very proud of myself because at Hobby Lobby I only spent $7. Believe it or not. Okay. So at Hobby Lobby, I did get these. Oh, I don't have any glasses here. Hold on one second. Let me get a pair of glasses. These are titanium coated blades, non-stick coated, which is pretty cool. The soft tip silicone wrapped handles, they were only $2. Originally, they were $7.99. I got these over not in the craft area, but these were over in like the paints and stuff, so, or where the kids stuff was. So I did pick them up. You can never have too many scissors, in my opinion, with crafting. You just can't. I have a favorite pair of scissors. I put them away. I put stuff away because I have a cabinet now. So I did find this for $1.50, and this is it's a 6x6 for card making, mixed media, and it just has the words on it. Self-sticking, so it goes on your cards, and you stencil it out, you know. So I was really happy about that. I'll be using that this week in a card that I'm making for my granddaughter. And then I love this card. I'm going to color just one of the images, and then I'm going to send it and let the other person color the rest of them. So, you know, but this was only 75 cents. It originally was $2.99. There's still a bunch of them there. I just haven't picked them up because, you know, I like making my own. I got this for 75 cents. Originally was $2.99. It is owls. So, you know, I love my owls. Not that I need any more washi tape, but I did pick this up. This was only 50 cents, and this is just the ribbon boutique. It is, and it originally was $1.99, and it was 50 cents. They have a big clearance at Mayan, like at an end cap that you just go to, and you know. I already do have these 12 colors watercolor pencils. These originally were $6.99. I used the coupon when I got mine, but now they are $1.75. These are really nice. They work very well. They're your primary colors. It says colors can be blended together, which they can be, to make a wide range of different colors. But these are the colors that you have in the back. Now they're having a big sale over, you know, at the painting section where where people paint and draw and stuff. And then I did pick up this little stamp. It has a little princess crown, so I want to make this I want to stamp a card with this and send it off to someone very special to me. So that was my inexpensive Hobby Lobby haul. Like I said, I'm only getting things that I know that I'm going to use, because I don't do de-stash videos. I should, but I don't. You know, that's some of the things that I did get. Now, JoAnn's, I did go a little crazy over there. Went cray over there. So this bag is one of my purchases. It was $1.99, or I'm sorry, $1.59, and it says JoAnn's on there. But I thought this is perfect because I'm going to take this to the Dollar Tree with me, and if something doesn't fit in it, I'm not getting it, because I have been spending way too much money at the Dollar Tree. But I did want to show you some of the things that I did get, because they had an amazing sale. And I also used my 20% coupon that I got there, and I also was able to use my Michael's 60% coupon. So I'll show you what I got. This, I may use my Michael's 60% coupon. I'm sorry, I don't know how much it was. It's not on here, but I know I paid less than $1 for this because of that 60% coupon. I'm going to make an Easter topiary with that. Excuse me, guys. Now, this is the Jelly Bean 14-piece Hampton Art set. It's a stamping set with the coordinating die, and you can stamp out the Enjoy, which I'm very happy about. I need more things with more saying. This says enjoy every day, enjoy life, enjoy today. I don't know if you guys can see that. Enjoy the memories, enjoy your cake, your gift, your birthday, the sunshine, the moment, this day, your special day. And that's what it all says. It has the little banner, which that's really nice. Awesome for cards. This is really, really good. And it's building my stash up of sentiments, you know, or little sayings. They had 50% off all their stamping supplies, everything, stickles, everything. I wish I would have grabbed some stickles. I didn't even think about it, but my loss. Okay, so this is the Brilliance, and these are dewdrops. I'm not sure how to pronounce that name. I do apologize, but this is the brand. To me, they look like those little mementos, that ones that I have all of them, pretty much all of them. Now this is in Starlight Black, Lightning Black, Rocket Red Gold, and Crimson Copper. So yes, I will be using these. Let's see, they're made in Japan, so they are made in Japan. That's why I can't say that name. But now my JoAnn's, I don't know if your JoAnn's is doing it, but my JoAnn's is discontinuing Miss Sparkle's line. We're not getting any more in, and I don't know why. So everything Miss Sparkle's is now discounted. Everything was 97 cents, everything. So I got this little tape dispenser, but this is for stamping. So when I stamp, that's what I got this for. So, you know, it's just notepad, sticky notes. So it's for stamping. So I'll show you how I do some of that. Now they did have these Easter things, which were 60% off. So I got these little, it's called the Little Makers. I got little bunnies and these little eggs. I think it was $1 something that I paid for these. And then I love these little faux Easter bunny tails. Look how cute they are. They look like a real little Easter bunny tail. But these little pom-poms are really cute, and they will come in handy for the Easter. Got myself some sequins because I will be making my own sequins mix with my swap box. So if you have not seen the video, the swap box video, I'll put an e-card up here somewhere, one of these places, and you could go watch that video, and maybe you can join in the fun of the swap box. So details, we're gaining people. We have a lot of people. I'm very excited about that. And they had their cards also, like everything card making was, everything was half off. So I got these are A2 size cards and the envelopes. So it's a set of 12. So they're 4.5 by 5.5. So I did like this paper. These are more for masculine cards. Father's Day's coming up. I want to make some Father's Day cards, male birthday cards. This will come in handy. I do make my own card bases, but it's really nice just to grab one and go. And last but not least, this is my, made me so happy to buy this. I got my Tim Holtz scissors finally. These are the 7 inches. What I like about these is, see that grip here? That's going to be so comfortable for my hand. These are titanium snip, micro serrated, micro serrated in 3 different languages. But I really, really like them. And I believe that they are non-stick also. Rust resistant, high durability, titanium coated blades. Excellent cutting on all types of crafting material. Now I know he has a new set that's coming out, and I was so hoping that, I saw so many people got the Tim Holtz scissors for that really awesome discount at Hobby Lobby, but our Hobby Lobby has never brought down the prices of any Tim Holtz stuff at all. None. Their watercolor paper, that was it. It was a little disappointing for me actually, and very frustrating, because like the ladies were kind of like, it might be on sale, might not be. So we've been going every week. Sandy and I have been going every week just to see what they have. And that's how they get you to come in and like spend your money, because you're going every week and all of a sudden you see like little stuff like, you know, like this. So, you know, but that is that. That's my Hobby Lobby and JoAnn's really amazing discounted prices. They had really good deals this year, JoAnn, this week at JoAnn's. I'm not sure if that's still going on. I believe it's not. My friend Lori, she went out and they were taking the signs down. As she was there, they were taking the signs down, so which is sad, but I'm pretty sure that they would have still honored the price, because it would have been midnight that they stopped going, right? So anyway, she got some really good things she showed me. I'm very excited for her. So, but that is my haul for this week, my crafting haul for this week. I do have a special, one more thing from JoAnn. So this is a preview. Says it's Easy Card Making, and that's the magazine, Easy Card Making. We are going to open this together, and then we are going to make a card together out of the products that are in there. Okay, so that will be my next video coming up. Tuesdays, my schedule is now going to change. Tuesdays is going to be my Dollar Tree. Tuesdays and Saturdays, I'm going to have Dollar Tree hauls up. I'm having 2 a week up. Also, I'm hoping that this coming Saturday, I have an amazing video, Dollar Tree haul, because I'm on a hunt for a lot of stuff. So I can't wait. So hopefully we find that stuff. But I want to thank you guys all so much for sticking around. So much. Oh my goodness, we have to talk about Instagram. I'm going to have to do a vlog just on Instagram. I do want to thank everybody that's been participating in my giveaways. I'm going to have another giveaway this week. So my winner, I'm so excited. My winner got a hold of me. I will be making her card, and I'm sending out her stamp set this week. So I'm very excited. I got a new stamp set to give out on Instagram. And Wednesday, I will be picking my Dollar Tree winner for the cactus stamps that I did get, and I had a giveaway for that also. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. This is really long. So, like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.